Time now for our weekly child feature, In Their Words. In this evening's edition, students of New Province Primary in St. Andrew sound off on what they love about Jamaica and what they would change.
Jamaica, 4,240 square miles. Depending on who you ask, there are various things which appeal to different people.
What I love about Jamaica is that it's a tropical island and it has a lot of sunlight for the plants.
And I love ackee and saltfish with dumpling and soup. In Jamaica, God makes schools for us to learn and be education, and we could go to high school and we could know everything in our minds.
And as the nation approaches its 60th year of independence, the children agree that there are issues which must be addressed, especially if the country is to achieve its Vision 2030 goals, like creating prosperity through the sustainable use and management of our natural resources. But the natural resources are under threat, mainly due to climate change. But there are human factors as well.
Because the environment is important to us, and if we help the environment will help us one day. Most of the animals live in the forest, harmless animals, and people chop down the trees, and sometimes they would even hurt the animals because they think they're harmful. And then there's some fruits that grow on the forest trees that are healthy for us and provide vitamins.
Vision 2030 also speaks to resolving conflicts through dialogue and mediation. For these children, the opposite is happening.
Sometimes people never ever find a way to fix their problem. So sometimes if they are adults, they can make a giant war.
I will change the crime, and when people are murdering people in their beds when they're sleeping, I want to change that, and I would like to be a police to change it.
But there is optimism that things will get better.
My wish for Jamaica is that it will be the best country in the whole wide world.
And to the nation's children,
God is always watching over us. Be strong. I love you.